All right, let's add shapes and stickers to our book. So again, making a book of Michigan. I want let's say I want to label the Great Lakes. I'm going to find an image. I don't know what a flamingo has to do with Great Lakes, but let's see if I can find. Oh, all right. So let's use this image. All right, let's want to label these Great Lakes. Let's go up to our add button and go to shapes. Now you can see that they already give me some arrows here to choose from, but I can also always type in something maybe specific that I'm looking for or different options. So I see it gives me some options here, different types of arrows. I'm going to choose this one and drag it over to where I want it. Now, obviously, it's not facing the correct way, so that's where I grab that green circle again, twist it the way I want it, and I can shrink it, move it around. I can then add text. And again, if I want to, I could go ahead and change the fonts and all that. Another fun activity would be maybe to add a voice recording. The students could record a fun fact about each um, lake, something like that. Um, I maybe want to label my favorite lake of the state with a heart. Okay, so I can choose one of these, bring it over, pop it in. Now, if I don't like the color of that heart, I just have to choose it, go up to my eye there, and choose the color I want it to be. So again, that is shapes. All right, let's go to a new page and let's look at some of these other features such as the stickers, the call outs, and such. So remember we talked about because you chose a comic book, you can choose it to have a different type of panel or layout. So if I wanted to choose this one, and let's say I was going to do, I wanted to kind of do a collage of the different facts or symbols or representations of Michigan. So let's say in each one of these squares, I wanted to put something like our state bird or state game animal and such. So to do that, I just simply have to click on the space, and then it's going to give me this plus button. What that means is it's going to ask me, what do you want to add? So again, I can grab from images, I can grab something if I want to take a picture right from my camera, a different file, or something from my Google Drive. I'm just going to go with images, and I know that our state bird is a robin. So it's going to give me some pictures of these beautiful robins, and I will choose this one that's pretty, and then I can add it in. And once it's generated, then I have the chance to kind of move it and place it where I'd like. Do that again. I can add here. I can hit images. I believe our state fish is the rainbow trout. We'll just put trout in for time's sake here. I believe that is a rainbow trout. Choose it, hit add. Okay, you can see that my picture doesn't fit in this box. So I'm just going to do a little adjusting because I really like this picture. So when I click on it, you can see that I still can move the fish around. Okay, but I want his whole body in there. So what I need to do is I need to remove a few boxes here. So I'm going to remove this box. And by doing that, I simply select it and go up to my inspector button. And then I can delete this box from here. So once that's gone, now I need to stretch this box out a little more, and you can see that it is locked. So as I showed you earlier, if you go back to the inspector button, you can come down here and click unlock. So now that allows me to drag this box over and make it a little bigger. Still not quite fitting like I want it to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock this box. I'm going to move this one down. Oops, I gotta delete this one. Looks like I get it out of the way. Move this one down. Move this one over. You can see that those green lines help me to line up my images and stretch that one across the top. So even though you picked a specific template or layout here, you can get in and edit and change those templates. If you didn't notice, back here in the inspector, I can also change the border, how thick my border is, and I can even change the color of my borders. I can still go ahead and over this and add text and such to this page. I can have some fun here and, create, maybe this bird wants to tell me about itself. And I could put a little speech bubble over top of the bird. I could go ahead and, add some fun stickers. I don't know that these would come in handy in this specific topic, but you get the point. All right, so that is shapes, stickers, and our layout. Have some fun.